Shalom, shalom, alright? It's your brother Labanah, you heard me? Call on him La, YAHAWAH, Bahashim Yahawashi, Baharakah Kwadash, Barakatah YAHAWAH, Barakatah Yahawashi, YAHAWAH Bahashim Yahawashi, Barakia Baba Kushawa, Yahawashi Yahawashi, Barakatham, and YAHAWAH Bahashim Yahawashi, Barakathan. Alright? So I'm about to make this unleavened bread because we still in, Feast of Unleavened Bread. You know what I'm saying? And, we're not supposed to eat bread, nothing with leavening in it, yeast. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to get all of it out of your house. And for 7 days, you eat unleavened bread. You hear me? No fried chicken, baked chicken, sauteed chicken. But no fried chicken, no fried fish, baked fish, sauteed fish, etc. No biscuits. You make you some unleavened bread, so I'm about to show you how to make it, you heard me? You get 2 cups of flour. You get you I was about to say a bucket. You get you a big Craig bowl, you heard me? And you get 2 cups of flour. You put it in here. Oh, let me get the ingredients, all right? So, just got 5 ingredients, you heard me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right? So we got some honey. I like to use coconut milk, but you can use, water, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you check your coconut milks, because some of them be having all them ingredients in it. But when you look at this one, it just says organic coconut milk, organic coconut milk. Organic coconut milk, organic coconut filtered water, all right? So, and then, to make sure you make sure your flour don't have, where is it? You make sure your flour, okay, see, organic wheat flour. This is the cheapest one I can find, but this ain't the one I normally get. But it's a sea salt, but I like the Celtic sea salt, the best one out there, you hear me? And then you get your olive oil from one place, you hear me? And it's in a glass or whatever. The ones that usually say from Italy, ported to Rome and further through this and that, those are normally the ones that be fake, you know what I'm saying? Even though all this stuff defiled, you know what I'm saying? But this is one of the better options in the glass, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so this is what you do, and I got you get you some parchment paper if you don't like kneading the dough on a raw counter. I don't like that, even though I wipe it down, So get you some flour, put it in a bowl. You know what I'm saying? You get your sea salt, you get your olive oil, your honey, and you mix it all up until it, you can look up the measurements, you know what I'm saying? I don't know I'm accurate like that. I just know how to do it by touch, you heard me? So you put it in here, you put it in there with the flour, you mix it, or you can use water, but I like to use coconut, you know what I'm saying? Because that coconut milk bring out like a pancake taste, like it make it taste good, you know what I'm saying? But for the Passover, I use water, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so lost my train of thought, Salakia, and yeah, you mix the flour, you mix all that together, and then once you need it, you come here, and before you do it, you put a little more flour here, so you can roll it easier, and then you take them. Salaki, I'm gonna just show it, man. All right, here we go. So, put the flour in here, 2 cups of flour, and the rest, you know what I'm saying? I know that's 2 cups for sure, and then you get, I think it's 1.5 teaspoons of sea salt. Go ahead and put that in there like this. Drop that in there like that, you know what I'm saying? Then you get your water or coconut milk, you know what I'm saying? And depending on what type of unleavened bread you want to make, You can make onion unleavened bread. You can make garlic unleavened bread. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going for that right now, so I'm gonna slide it over here. So let me wash this off, cause you know these be coming from them stores. And you don't know where them cans be at. You know what I'm saying? And, oh yeah, from the you can get these right here, these tortillas. They only have what, 5 ingredients in it. You hear me? Let me show you. I like to wash this stuff off before I use it. It's a lot good, but the 5 ingredients. I have canola oil in it. I really don't like that, but it's last minute snatch. So it only have wheat flour, water, canola oil, sea salt, sugar. Now, you know, Walmart sell these, Kroger sell these, but they're in the refrigerator. They're not by the regular tortillas, all right? So you get your water or coconut milk, you know what I'm saying? And you put it in there. I'm not gonna put all of it in there, right? Okay, so I put half of the coconut milk, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna use all of it because I wanna make something else with it. And plus that's enough anyway. So you do the flour, and then you add the coconut milk, plus you add some water, you know what I'm saying? Cause this right here, it ain't milky, it's, you know, so I needed a little, needed to add a little water to cut it, you know what I'm saying? So let me go back again, you put the flour, coconut, and then you add some honey. Let me add some honey, you hear me? Let me add some honey. And I'm just going by feel. You know what I'm saying? Then you get your olive oil. It's gonna be real good, man. All praise Yahawashi. You hear me? And all you gotta do next, cut the pan on, you know what I'm saying? Cut it on like not too high, not too low. Put it like in the middle, you know what I'm saying? With some olive oil. And then once you need to do and roll it, you break it up, you know what I'm saying? And then you put it in here just like how this look, how these look. Now they sell these right here at Kroger, Walmart, and then the refrigerated part. They're not by the regular tortillas. You gotta refrigerate these because they don't have all them ingredients in it, you know? Now canola oil is bad. They say it is bad, you know what I'm saying? They get that from a flour, canola oil, white sugar. I just rather you make it yourself, but I go with these. You know, there's a quick snatch right quick. But they're in the refrigerator at Walmart and Kroger. But I always wash this stuff off before I use it. You know what I'm saying? All them Edomites be eating, touching all of them. But anyway, so Jake probably looking at the screen saying, man, they touch everything, huh? God, they do. They touch it before they put it in the pack. I know, brother. You hear me? So I need my hand right quick, so it's gonna be looking better than this, you hear me? I'll be right back. And if it do look like this, keep stirring and add some more flour. Something is off, you hear me? You know? But let me go ahead and lace this up, man. All right, so once you stir everything to the way you want it, and it come out like this, when it's dry, then you know it's time to put it on here. If you don't have that pizza roller thing, you do it with your hands. I really don't like doing it with my hands though. But in this case, I don't have one, so I gotta do it, you hear me? You be sticking all to your fingers if you don't do it right. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, now it's time to, you know, when you're making pizza, you let it sit. Like if you got yeast in it and all that, you let it sit and this rises up. But since it's the Feast of Unleavened Bread, we ain't doing that. We making these unleavened bread right quick, you know what I'm saying? And this right here, you should at least get like 10 of them out of this. Okay, it's about time to take the dough out of here and put it on a parchment paper. But first, you wanna put a little here so it don't stick. So it don't stick. And what you do is you roll it up. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. That's how you do it, you know. I really don't like using my hands for this. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know you got hair on your fingers. You know what I'm saying? I'm different, man. I be worrying about they got hair in my food. I hate that, man. You know what I'm saying? I be grossed out, man. You know what I'm saying? But before you do this, wash your hands. You hear me? Wash it good. Wash the back of your knuckles, your fingertips, cuticles. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Make sure you wash your hands, man, when you're cooking for everybody and even yourself, man. You know? So you should be able to get like 10 of these out of this. All right? So, all right, this is pretty much the last step. You know what I'm saying? So you take a piece off the big piece of the dough right here, the big dough. Roll it up into a ball like you're making meatballs and spaghetti. If you don't want to touch it with your hands, you can do it another way. You know what I'm saying? And then once you get the ball, you flatten it out like this right here with your palms of your hands or a spatula, you know. And then you can stretch it out. They come all, you know what I'm saying? You can press it like this. You know what I'm saying? And then you come to the pan and have a little olive oil in it. You see like these cooking, but you got a baby though. You know what I'm saying? So I can withstand the heat with my fingers, like grandma and them. You hear me? They can touch stuff. They can touch stuff. They can touch the heat with their bare hands. You hear me? But anyway, that's how it's gonna come out. It's beautiful, Lord. You know what I'm saying? How the Lord. It's just so beautiful how you do everything, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? The sweet and the bitter, you know? But hopefully this help in some kind of way, you know what I'm saying? But you got a baby in there. And if you run out of olive oil, you gotta put some more in there. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So whenever the pan gets dry, you put some olive oil in there. Just a little bit, not a lot. You know what I'm saying? You keep doing it over and over. So, what I like to do too, after these, as soon as they come out, throw some honey on it, you hear me? So the honey can get, you know, soak in there, man. You know what I'm saying? And tastes real good. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm trying to show you that, you know, I'm trying to get you to get that, you know, I got that green thumb, you hear me, when it comes to that cooking. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is almost done. It's almost done, man. But Shalom, man. Yahawashi, Yahawashi, Makar Kodash. Barakatham, Barakathan. All right, Shalom.
Race, gender identity, sexual orientation, or any other
Finished product.
And so I'm like, okay,
Shalom.
I can interpret that in a